What I'm going to show you how to do now is how to solder the buzzer. Now you can see the buzzer's marked on there, it goes in there and there. The buzzer's got a red and a black wire. The red one, or the positive one, goes there, and the minus one goes there. Now I've drilled some 1mm support holes for it as well, and they're about there and there on the PCB. So if you look here, you can see there's my positive and negative. It's opposite, remember, to how it looks on there, but remember this is the mirror image, so the plus is on that side, but it's on that side there. I've just drilled some 1mm holes next to them very carefully there to act as support holes. The wire's very thin and very small, but you should be able to do it, okay? So I'll take the positive wire first, and then through that support hole, up like that, and then very, very carefully put it through the other hole there. Again, put it in the helping hand. This is going to be quite tricky to do, so. I push the wire over onto the copper because I've got a bit of copper missing there, so I'm just going to push it actually down onto the copper to make it easier to solder. Again, I've got a bit of the circuit board missing around the bottom there, but as long as it solders onto the circuit and the copper, that's fine. So 1, 2, that looks okay. Yeah. Like I said, check it under the microscope as well, because I've got a bit of copper missing. And then, yeah, just check it, yeah. And then the minus one goes through the minus support hole there. Up, like that. And goes in the minus hole there. Again, to stop it falling out, just bend it over a little bit. This is very, very tricky to do, so wipe the iron on the sponge. Again, it's very difficult to see this is. That's it. As long as it doesn't join up with anything else, that should be okay. Turn it back. Pull back the slack on both of the cables. And there you go. There's your buzzer soldered.